This video is brought to you by thepuzzler.com.
Problem number 7 from the AMC 10N. Also number 4 from the 12N. The least common multiple of a positive integer n and 18 is 180, and the greatest common divisor of n and 45 is 15. What is the sum of the digits of n? Okay, if the least common multiple of a positive integer n and 18 is 180, what does that tell us? Well, that tells us that prime factorizing 180, that tells us that, so this is 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. Well, it tells us that n has all these factors that 18 does not contain, because if 18 does not contain those factors, they must be coming from somewhere, and that means they're coming from n. For example, the LCM contains a factor of 5, which means at least one of the numbers has a factor of 5. 18 doesn't have a factor of 5, so we know that n has a factor of 5. Well, 3 squared, we don't know if n has a factor of 3 or not, or 3 squared, because 18 already has a factor of 3 squared, so we can't say anything about the exponent of 3 yet. Now, 18 has one exponent of 2, because it's divisible by 2, but not 4. But this number has an exponent of 2 as 2, so that means that n has to be divisible by 2 squared, or 4. Okay, now what can we tell from the greatest common divisor of n and 45 is 15? Well, we know that 45 can be written as 3 squared times 5. And now if the greatest common factor is 15, 15 is 3 times 5, so that means both n and 45 have factors of 3 and 5 at least. So we already know it has a factor of 5, and we know it has one factor of 3. Notice that it can't have two factors of 3, because then 45 also has two factors of 3, so then the GCF would also have two factors of 3 since both numbers have that. So then this is our number n, which is 3 times 15, 15, or 3 times 5 is 15, times 4 is 60. Checking with the original problem, least common multiple of a positive integer n and 18, so 60 and 18 is 180, yep. And greatest common divisor of 60 and 45, well, that's 15, so yep, that works. So we do 6 plus 0, and that gives us our answer of B.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked or enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a like and subscribe to our channel. For more amazing content, you can check out thepuzzler.com.